Now today we are going to study exercise 11.2. Okay, first example. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7. BC is equal to 7 cm. Angle B is equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Listen, angle B is given 75, segment BC is given 7 and AB plus AC is equal to 13. That means what? AB plus AC means AB is greater than, what is AB? Okay, first draw construction, how to draw the steps. First draw segment BC. Do with me. चलो ड्रॉ करते हैं. BC is of 7 centimeter. Okay, it is BC. Now angle is of 75. How to draw 75? First draw angle of 60 and 90 and angle between 60 and 90 is 75. Okay, so do it. I taught you in previous lecture. Draw the arc, means just like a semicircle. Okay, suppose it's a point P and now radius is same and suppose P is our center. This is our 60 and this is our 120. Now angle between them is of 90 between 60 and 120. We got angle of 90. Okay. This is our right angle. Now angle between 60 and 90 is 75. So bisect it. Okay. Where they cross? Here. Join it. This is our angle of 75. Okay. Now, what is the next? AB plus AC is of 13. Now take 13 centimeter distance in a compass. Yes, and draw the job. Okay, and join this line. Suppose this is our point, this is a line and this point of intersection is D, where the arc cross BX. Now join this D and C. Okay, understood? Then what is next? We are going to bisect. Now note this angle Note this angle D. Okay. Same. Okay. The angle between these two. Note this distance. This one. Distance between two sides arc. Note the distance of arc. Now same. Put here and draw the arc. What we did here, we drawn angle of same measure here. Isn't it? Now this angle D and this angle DC, suppose this is point A, we can say this is A, is of same measure. Understood? What I did, understood? This is our triangle ABC. Now we are going to justify this one. How? Steps of construction. First, draw segment BC. This is our required triangle ABC. Okay. Then second, what we did, cut a line segment. Cut a line segment. Okay. At point P. Now equal to, what is? On page number 192, steps are given of construction. See the textbook. See the textbook. Now, triangle ADC. Now, angle ADC and angle ACD are equal. Angle ADC and angle ACD are equal. Okay, by construction we proved it. Now, therefore AC is equal to AD. Base angles are equal. Therefore, AC is equal to AD. Angles are equal. Therefore, sides also isosceles triangle property. Therefore, AB plus AD. AB plus AD is equal to what? BD. Complete. BD minus AD. Sorry, BD minus AB plus AD is equal to, AB is equal to BD minus AD. AB is equal to complete BD minus AD. But AD is equal to AC. Therefore, AB is equal to BD minus AC. Why? Because both are equal. Therefore, what is AB plus AC is equal to BD. This is the justification. Understood what I did? Okay, have you got this construction? This is our ABC required triangle. First we drawn BC, then we drawn angle of 75 degree at B by using construction method without protractor. Then we took third point, distance 13 centimeter in a compass and drawn this ray BX, where the arc drawn is the point D. Join this point D and C, you will get DC. Next point, what is? Draw the angle which is same to ADC at angle at point C. Okay, then join that line which cut BX at point A. This is our triangle ABC. Understood? Okay. Thank you.